Ever wondered how critical the role of vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is in memory function? This nutrient is not just a simple vitamin, it's a powerhouse that plays an integral part in various bodily functions, from maintaining the nervous system to producing red blood cells. But today we delve deeper into the fascinating world of vitamin B12 and its significant role in cognitive health. Vitamin B12, a water-soluble vitamin, is naturally present in animal products like meat, fish, eggs and dairy. It's also found in fortified foods, including cereals and plant-based milk alternatives. Our body relies on this vitamin for a myriad of physiological processes such as DNA synthesis, nerve function and red blood cell formation. The catch is, our body can't produce this nutrient on its own, making it essential to get enough of it through our diet or supplements. So, how does vitamin B12 impact our memory? Research indicates that vitamin B12 plays a pivotal role in preserving cognitive function, particularly memory. It's involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that enable communication between brain cells. For instance, vitamin B12 is necessary for the production of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that are vital for mood regulation and memory formation. Moreover, vitamin B12 participates in the methylation process, which is crucial for the production of myelin. Myelin is a fatty substance that insulates nerve fibers and helps in the transmission of nerve impulses, including those involved in memory and cognitive function. Therefore, maintaining an optimal level of vitamin B12 is key to preserving nerve function and memory. Now, what happens when there's a shortage of vitamin B12 in our body? Vitamin B12 deficiency can significantly affect cognitive function, including memory. A lack of adequate vitamin B12 can lead to disruptions in neurological processes, impacting memory formation, concentration, and overall cognitive performance. Studies reveal that individuals deficient in vitamin B12 are more likely to experience cognitive decline and memory loss, particularly as they age. In older adults, a deficiency in this vitamin has been linked to an increased risk of neurodegenerative conditions, such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency can include confusion, forgetfulness, difficulty concentrating, and mood disturbances, all of which can substantially affect quality of life. So, how can we prevent a deficiency in vitamin B12 and maintain optimal memory function? It's crucial to ensure an adequate intake of vitamin B12, either through diet or supplementation. For adults, the recommended daily intake is 2.4 micrograms, although this can vary depending on factors like age, sex, and medical conditions. Good dietary sources of vitamin B12 include beef, pork, lamb, poultry, fish like salmon and tuna, dairy products, and eggs. For those following a vegetarian or vegan diet, obtaining sufficient vitamin B12 can be a bit more challenging. In summary, vitamin B12 is a crucial nutrient that plays a significant role in cognitive function, particularly memory. A deficiency can lead to memory impairment and cognitive decline, emphasizing the importance of maintaining an adequate intake of this vitamin. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember to include a good source of vitamin B12 to keep your memory sharp.